जब मैं पहले में बहुत शाय करती थी क्योंकि मैं कहीं भी एक जैसे कंसंट्रेट करती थी ना, तो मैं आसपास ज़्यादा ध्यान देती थी कि कौन मुझे देख रहा है।
The R&A is the global governing body of golf across the world outside of USA and Mexico. Our primary focus here in India is to support the golf ecosystem, working with our affiliate, the Indian Golf Union, to really drive participation and try and make the sport more inclusive for all.
Perfect, very nice chip. Much better than me. Well done, good.
Most recently, we've invested in the Magic Bus program, which teaches life skills through golf.
Magic Bus started in 1999. We work with underprivileged adolescents. Overall feedback has been tremendously positive. Usually what we see in sports is it takes time for everyone to adapt to the game. But now when we come and we get feedback that yes, golf is helping us, our academics are getting better, this is the positive feedback we are getting. When I saw the girls first time when they were playing golf, I think they were a bit nervous. They were not able to even answer some questions. But now when I see them, they're so confident and they want to play.
To achieve our goals.
हाँ, मैं सोचती हूँ कि हाँ, रितिका को एक बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है जो मुझे नहीं मिली, क्योंकि मेरी फैमिली तो पुराने ख्यालों की थी, घर से बाहर नहीं जाने देना था लड़कियों को। हाँ, मैं बिल्कुल चाहूँगी और लगता है कि ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मुझे नहीं मिली, रितिका को मिली है, तो हाँ, मैं उसको इंकरेज करूँगी और मैं चाहूँगी कि वो आगे बढ़े।
This program is all about the girls who have shown their complete dedication and passion towards this game. Good shot. We have the classes where we have different activities where they practice, where they learn the fundamentals of golf. So this is the cardio section where we are doing the cardio. When I met them almost a year back, they never heard about this word. So when I gave them the E-class, when I showed them what is golf all about, they were very excited. Yes, now you can feel that rotation, okay? They've been swinging beautifully. In fact, I can say they are swinging much better than me. And that makes me very proud. Very good, Kanak. Well done.
These days, children are forgetting the values. They are not confident. They are just into various distractions. So I'm sure with this program, they are going to grow like anything and they are going to build up the confidence and they might reach the heights where I am expecting them to be.
हम गोल्फ एक बहुत अच्छा गेम है, इससे हमें हमारा मतलब टाइम मैनेजमेंट, हमें फोकस अच्छा होता है हमारा। मुझे गोल्फ खेलने को मिल रहा है, यही मेरी अचीवमेंट है।
पहले पता ही नहीं था गोल्फ क्या होता है। पहले जब फर्स्ट टाइम पे स्कूल में इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया गोल्फ, कि गोल्फ एक स्पोर्ट है, तब मेरे को शौक थी मैं कि हैं गोल्फ भी एक स्पोर्ट होता है। तो मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया था कि अब मेरे को आगे भी खेलना है, इतना आगे करना है कि मैं प्रोफेशनल गोल्फर, तो मेरे को डायरेक्ट बनना है।
The R&A Foundation brings the expertise in golf. I think to take the program to next level, we need that support.
The scale of the opportunity for golf to change lives is enormous. It's an opportunity that we want to see extended to as many people as possible.
I feel more happy because जब उन्होंने मतलब मेरे को देखा, उन्होंने तभी ये बात बोली थी कि you are playing wonderful, तो उस वजह से मेरे को बहुत खुशी हुई कि हाँ उन्होंने ऐसा बोला। या फिर कोई भी स्टूडेंट हो स्कूल का, वो मेरे को देख के यही बोले कि दैट्स ज़ैनब, द प्रोफेशनल गोल्फर।
India is a vast country, the most populous country in the world. So if we can all share resources and collaborate and build more relationships, I've no doubt that will actually be for the benefit of the development of the game across the country.